Hey, I'm Dean.
I'm Daryl, and we're Moderate Performance.
I'm holding a selfie stick,
And today, we are upgrading the seatbelts on Dean's 71 Torino.
let's go.
Whee!
Okay, so this is my 71 Ford Torino, and it has some very interesting things that have they've been a source of entertainment over the years because the seatbelts work a little bit differently than your regular seatbelt. Let me show you. So first off, it's two pieces. The first one is this lap belt. You'll notice that this part goes into the hold, but there's also this hole right here. So you do it up from there,
Just like a normal seatbelt.
all right.
Voila!
But now we have the second part, which is this shoulder strap.
Which tucks neatly up there to the headliner when it's not in use. The ribbon, I think that was supposed to be an elastic, but
It's not elastic anymore.
No.
And you'll see on this part, this will go into that hole that I pointed out.
Okay, so
Just like that. So now we have two pieces together. So the
Safe.
trouble with this seatbelt is you got to have it really tight toward you, because when it's too loose, it has a tendency to just pop out.
and that does absolutely nothing then.
So you have to have it really, really tight,
Which is comfortable, sort of.
sort of. And while I have a steering wheel to brace myself, my passenger doesn't. So the passenger ends up just leaning forward really tight. The other thing is, this car is 50 years old. The seatbelt material is now 50 years old. It's not as smooth as it used to be. So we're gonna replace it with a one-piece seatbelt so that it's just a lot more comfortable. The
Yeah.
one thing that I'm a little bit torn about is that it will, with the two-piece, it tucks
Nicely
it tucks away very nicely for show. So
But-
switching to this new style will have a piece hanging down, but I'm willing to trade that for comfort while I drive, and
Okay.
also comfort for my passengers as
Yeah.
well.
Let's see what we're installing today.
All right, we're gonna be using the shoulder and lap bench seat belt kit from Retro Belt. In here we have a replacement for the buckle. I think we might be able to reuse the current buckle. I would like to reuse mine if I can. They gave us a couple of...
Two different styles,
different
so if it's the hard style or just the, I think we'll probably end up using this one if necessary, because it'll sneak through the, I think that's actually for if you have buckets.
That would be for a bucket seat.
Yes.
So yes, if the current one doesn't work, we'll be switching this out.
Still has that old style look, nothing like the red buttons of nowadays.
And then these retractor and yeah, just the one piece. with the
one
retractor.
unit.
Okay, so we're gonna take the existing seatbelt out. For the 71 Torino, it's a T50 Torx bit. And we will just remove this like so. On the bottom retractor.
There we go.
All right, so we'll have to reuse the hardware. So really, this is a one-tool install. All the bolts are all the same size. Yes, so
Very nice.
with the new retractor, we will also need to install this part here, but the bottom part will actually
Go at the base.
yes. So like when we have it up like that, we want it to be like that. So let's put there like that, and then tighten it back up.
All right, so base is in. Step 2.
So now on this piece, at the base,
Yeah. There you
like so.
go. There you go, bro.
And it's the same
Same torques. on this car anyway.
All right. There's a nice spacer here too that we'll reuse. All right. Take the old one out. You can see this is the new one. We'll pop the cover off on that one.
The rock washer and a Tinderman nut on there.
We'll use that on ours. Did you put the washer on this side? What did you do on that side?
Bolt through, then washer, then
Bolt through, washer, and locks.
and reinstall. All right, and cover goes on. Nice and easy.
Okay, time for the buckle.
Let me just move positions. Pause.
Now for bolt number 3 for our seatbelt buckle.
Unfortunately, the old ones don't work with the new one, so we will have 2 different ones in from the front to the back. They'll have different designs, but we can always upgrade those later. I kind of refrain from using air tools or power tools on this kind of stuff because you don't want to strip the threads, especially putting it back on. You don't want to hammer on it and then get it too tight and strip threads, and then that would not be fun.
This is your safety we're talking about here.
Yeah, this is an older car. You don't need 1,000,000 foot-pounds on that anchor.
Okay. So this has both the buckle for the middle seat, belt, and
Do you know which one is which?
yes, I
That
do.
one.
That one. You wanna pull the seat forward?
Oh, yeah. Push on the seat. There we go.
All right.
So we were replacing the correct one. New one goes in.
You'll also notice that this has a nice little cover to kind of bend in it to clear this one.
Ford was thinking when they did that. So it works nicely with the other factory belts. Strip it out.
That should be good. All right.
There we go, and then we'll just thread that through the seat, and it's just that easy. And after she comes on the other side, and she's ready for use. Look at that. Woo-wee! It's like we know what we're doing.
Sometimes. Okay, let's give this seatbelt a try. Perfect. I can now move and
Reach the window crank.
I can reach the window crank with ease, but if I come to a jerky halt, it'll
Ooh.
stop me.
Does what it should.
Exactly, and it's nice and soft. It won't rub my shoulder off. I'm wearing a tank top showing off my muscles. So,
Wow. And it seriously took us like 5 minutes per side. It was super easy.
yeah.
3
just-
bolts. Doesn't get any simpler than that.
So, definitely a worthwhile upgrade. And yeah, if you're looking for new seat belts, those retro belts, they're gonna work great. So, until next time, if it ain't broke, go drive it. Like, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Hey, I'm Dean.
And I'm Daryl.
Oh,
Hold on. No.
all right, let's give this seatbelt a try.
It locks.
Okay. Dean's holding a selfie stick, and today we're gonna do the seatbelts. We're gonna get some. Bleh. And this new material is so soft. Oh. All right, let's install it.
Okay.